Hey everyone, if you're having trouble signing in to your ElevenReader account, you're not alone. Whether you're seeing an error message, your password isn't working, or the login page won't load, this guide covers the most common solutions to help you get back into your account. Start by making sure you're entering the correct email address and password. Check for typing mistakes, extra spaces, or an enabled caps lock key. If you signed up using Google or Apple, be sure to use the same sign-in method instead of entering a password. If you've forgotten your password, select the Forgot Password option on the login page. Enter your email address and follow the instructions in the password. Reset email to create a new password. Login issues can also happen if your internet connection is unstable. Open another website to confirm your connection is working, then try signing in again. If needed, switch networks or restart your router. If you're using the mobile app, so check for updates in your device's app store. If you're using ElevenReader in a browser, refresh the page or try a different browser to rule out temporary issues. If the login page still isn't working, restart the app or clear your browser's cache and cookies before trying again. This can fix problems caused by outdated or corrupted temporary data. If you're still unable to sign in after trying these steps, visit ElevenReader's help or support page. The support team can assist with account-specific issues, including login problems that can't be resolved from your device, and that's how you can fix most ElevenReader login issues. In many cases, checking your sign-in method, resetting your password, or updating the app is all it takes. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.